Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos simple, only way. Start by heating a skillet and browning a pound of seasoned meat, then warm tortillas and prepare toppings like chopped onion, cilantro, shredded cheese, and lime wedges. Layer meat, toppings, and a squeeze of lime on each tortilla, fold, and serve right away. Add chips or a small salad on the side for a simple, complete meal everyone will enjoy. Keep toppings simple and tasty so tacos come together fast and everyone can customize. Use pre-shredded cheese and quick pico or jarred salsa, and add a squeeze of lime to wake up flavors. Offer both soft tortillas and crunchy shells so guests pick what they like. Small bowls with diced onion, cilantro, and jalapeno let people build their own perfect tacos without fuss or extra cooking time. If you are enjoying this short taco guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great while you run taco errands or head to a taco night. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Timing matters when you want tacos fast and fresh. Cook the meat while you chop toppings so nothing waits alone, and warm tortillas right before serving to keep them soft. A quick cabbage slaw tossed with lime juice and salt adds crunch and freshness in minutes. These small timing tricks cut effort and deliver hot, flavorful tacos on a weeknight without stress, keeping cleanup light and the table smiling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.